Most people who start calisthenics quit in the first 30 days, and it's not because it's too hard, it's because they have no plan. And today I'm fixing that. I'm going to be giving you the exact plan that I wish someone gave me before I started. 3 days training, 0 equipment, and you can start today. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a 2-minute test that tells you exactly where you are and what to train first, and that's what you need before anything else. Here's what nobody tells most beginners. Calisthenics doesn't care about your fitness level, it cares about your movement pattern. I have seen guys who can run 10 kilometers but struggle to do one clean push-up, because calisthenics is body weight control and almost nobody trains that. So forget what you know about fitness, because we are starting from the scratch. So even if you've been to the gym before, forget it. Calisthenics is different. There are 3 types of beginner watching this video right now. Level 1, the complete zero. You haven't trained in months or maybe ever. You can't even do a push-up yet. That's fine. This video is for you. Level 2, the some basic beginner. You have been to the gym before or maybe played some sports and you can do about 5 to 10 push-ups, but there is 0 body weight training. This video is still for you. Level 3, the fit but new. You are athletic, but calisthenics is specifically new to you. So here's the thing. All 3 levels start in the same place, because calisthenics fundamentals are non-negotiable at every level. Every advanced skill you've ever seen in calisthenics, the planche, muscle up, handstand push-up, and even pistol squat, all run in just this 4 movement pattern: push, pull, dip, squat. I made a complete video breaking down how this 4 movements connects to advanced calisthenics skill, so the link is in the description and you can watch that later. But what you need right now in this your first month of calisthenics training are just these 4 movements and nothing else. So don't chase the advanced stuff yet, build the basic first. So here's your program. But wait, if you've been looking for a real beginner calisthenics plan, you've just found the right video. Hit that subscribe button, because from now on I'm going to be breaking down beginner fundamentals to advanced calisthenics skill, so you don't miss any step. Now, your first week plan. So you train 3 days in a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and your rest days are in between. And that's not optional, because your muscles grow during your rest days and not during training. So if you skip your rest days, you slow down your progress. So for the push-up, you're going to do 3 sets. Do as many reps as you can, but with perfect form. So listen to me closely. If your perfect form is just 2 reps or 3, then that's it. Do those 3 reps and write them down. So for the dips, you're going to do 3 sets. Use a parallel bar or 2 chairs or whatever you have. So do 3 sets of 3 reps. Just 3 reps with perfect form. That's it. And make sure you rest 2 minutes between each set. Not 30 seconds, 2 minutes. Because most beginners rush their rest between their sets and wonder why they can't hit the same perfect rep in the next set. Day 3 is completely for your pull-ups. 3 sets and do as maximum rep as you can, but with perfect form. And what I mean by perfect form is chest to the bar or chin over the bar. No keeping, no swinging. Clean reps only. But if you can't do a pull-up yet, no problem. Do Australian roses, or grab a table, or grab anything you can pull from and pull your chest to it. It is the same movement pattern with the pull-up, and it builds the same muscles, but you're just using assistance, and that's okay. Day 5 of your training, you're going to train your legs and your core. So for your legs, you're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps of slow and controlled body weight squats. No bouncing up and down, just feel the movement. And after that, you're going to do 3 sets of 20 seconds whole body hold. Lie on your lower back and press your lower back into the floor by squeezing your core and your glutes. Lift your leg and shoulders slightly upward and hold it. This position is the foundation of almost every advanced calisthenics skill. The front lever, planche, and L-sits all start here, so learn it now. But wait, I really want to say something important here, so come closer. Your first week of your training is going to feel easy, especially if you're at level 2 or level 3 beginner, and that's fine. So don't add more reps and don't train extra days. Just follow the plan, because in week 2 we are going to add volume, and in week 3 we are going to add more difficulties. So if you burn yourself out in week 1, you won't be there for week 3, and that's where the real progress starts. Alright, the test I promised you guys at the start. So after your first week of training, I want you guys to do these 3 things, okay? Because this will help me progress a lot in calisthenics. So the first thing I want you to do is do maximum push-up. Do as many reps as you can, but with clean form. chest to the floor and full lockouts at the top. Count them and write them down. Same rules applies to your pull-up or Australian roses if you can't do a pull-up yet. Clean reps only. And for the third thing, which is like the most important one, I want you guys to go into a deep body weight squat and hold it and time it for as long as you can and write these numbers down. They will help you. So that's your baseline in 30 days. Do this same test, and if every number went up, that means you are progressing, and if they didn't, that's fine. That's the area we need to fix, but you can only know that if you write those numbers. And seriously, don't skip this. The baseline is the difference between guessing and actually knowing your progress. But wait, there are some 3 mistakes that actually kills most beginners, and these 3 mistakes actually slows your calisthenics progress more than anything else. So mistake 1 is training every day. I said this earlier, but I'm going to say this again because most beginners do this. Trust me, I did it. You feel motivated, you want fast results, so you train every day. And in week 2, you exhaust yourself and your performance drop and you quit. 3 days in a week, that's the program, stick to it. Mistake 2 is chasing advanced rep too early. If you can't do 15 clean push-up, you have no business attempting the planche. I know, it looks cool and that's the reason why you started. But the advanced skill will not come if your foundation isn't solid. The guys you see doing planches all spent months doing push-up first, every single one of them. Mistake 3 is not tracking your reps. Like I said earlier, if you don't write your numbers down, you are training blindly. You have no idea if you are improving or what's working for you. It's just a notebook and a pen you need. Write every set, every rep and every session. When your numbers stop going up, that's when you add difficulty, not before. You can't manage what you can't measure. So here's what your next 30 days would look like if you follow this program. Week 1, establish your baseline. Just learn the movement. Focus on clean form and not reps. Week 2, add 1 rep per set to every exercise compared to week 1. 1 rep and that's it. Small progress compound. Week 3, train harder variations. Decline push-up, close grip push-up, archer pull-up, same movement but difficult. Week 4, retest your baseline compared to week 1 and see the improvement. That improvement is proof that your foundation is working. So after 30 days, your pull-up will lead to your muscle-up and the push-up will lead to your planche and the dips will lead to handstand push-up. Every advanced skill you've ever wanted, run through these basics. There is no shortcut. So that's your complete zero to hero calisthenics plan. Your first week program, your baseline test, 30 days map, and the 3 mistakes you need to avoid and everything you need to start today. One more thing before you guys close this. Write down your starting point right now, and it doesn't have to be the full test. Even if it is just I can do 5 push-up or I can't do a pull-up yet, that's your day 1. You own it. And hit that subscribe button and write down at the comments I want the next step, because from now on I'll be posting real calisthenics progression content, no fluff. And watch this video next on how each of these 4 moves connects to advanced calisthenics skill, because that's where your journey goes from here. My name is Calisthenics and I'll see you guys in the next one.